So students, fifth class, active math, lead app book, practice question number 3, factors and multiples, lesson 3.1. Refer to the given grid to write the prime and composite numbers. A. Prime numbers 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79 from this table. B. Composite numbers are 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 60, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 69, 70, 72, 74, 76, 77, 78, 80. Prime numbers that have exactly two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Example, the number 5 has only two factors, 1 and 5. Hence, 5 is a prime number. Composite numbers that have more than two factors, are called composite numbers. Example, the number 6 has more than two factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Hence, 6 is a composite number. Example 153 is a prime number. When we divide it, factors of 53 are 1 and 53. Only two factors, 1 and number itself. So this is a prime number. 51 is composite number. Why? Because it is divided by more than two numbers. By multiplying 8 by 3, 3 into 17 is 51, 17 into 1 is 17. 51 has 3 factors, so 51 is composite number. 3.2. Look at the numbers given below. Color the prime numbers in green and the composite numbers in red. The prime numbers are 11, 3, 13, 2. Composite numbers are 34, 45, 86, 9, 30, 50, 27, 51, 44. Example 34 divided by 2. The factors are 1, 2, 17. So 34 is composite number. Example 2, 13. 13 is divided by 1. So this is prime number. Three point three. I am a composite number less than 50. I have three factors. I am divisible by 5. Which number am I? The number is 25. Fifty is divided by 2. The factors are 2, 5, 5, 1. Less than 50 means 25. I have 3 factors means 25 have 3 factors 5, 5, 1. Divisible by 5 means 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Practice question number 4. Fill the missing numbers in the given factor trees. A. 98, 2 into 49. For 49, 7 into 7. B. 120, 10 into 12, 120. For 10, 2 into 5, 10. For 12, 2 into 6, 12. For 6, 2 into 3, 6. Use the division method to find the prime factorization of the following numbers. A. 16, B. 84, C. 256, D. 325, E. 48, F. 72, G. 294, H. 540. A. 16. For 16 divided by 2, 2 8s are 16. For 8, 2 4s are 8. For 2, 2 into 2, 4. Prime factorization of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. B. 84. For 84, prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. C. 256. Prime factorization of 256. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 1. D. 325. Prime factorization of 325, 5 into 5 into 13 into 1. E. 48. Prime factorization of 48, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 1. F. 72. Prime factorization of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. G 294, prime factorization of 294, 2 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 1. H 540, prime factorization of 540, 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 3.